News just coming in, Disa. Another case of crime against women being reported from Birbhum. A class 4 student was allegedly molested by her teacher. The incident has led to increased tension in the area after widespread protests. The police had to resort to firing to control the mob situation. Another shocking case coming to light again from Birbhum district. A class 4 student allegedly molested by her teacher. We're being joined by our correspondent Manogya Loiwal on the phone line. Manogya, another shocking incident again coming to light from Birbhum district. A class 4 student molested. Has the teacher been arrested?
Well, absolutely, Simi. This is one of the crimes that we're hearing from Birbhum, which is one of the backward states of West Bengal. It is also a Maoist-infested region. But what's more important is that this time a child studying in class 4 of a school there was allegedly molested by the teacher. The locals took the law in their hands. They ransacked the school and there was action taken against the teacher by almost assaulting him in public. And then the police had to resort to firing in this case because there was a lot of chaos in the area. There was a lot of confusion in the area and a lot of gathering of people who were protesting against the removal of the teacher from the school.
Right, Manogya, the people of Birbhum clearly running out of patience with the failure of the state administration to check crime against women.
But absolutely, we've seen so many rape cases happening, and the last rape case has occurred in Birbhum only, and that is the reason why the people are even more agitated about the rise in crime in West Bengal. Is it only about the law and order situation, but it's more to do with the crime that we've seen and has been rising against women in West Bengal, and perhaps that's the reason why the people resorted in this way.